Every shower eventually gets clogged or suffers from slow drain syndrome. RV showers are no exception. Here are 2 quick tips that should easily solve the problem and probably solve it for free. This is the drain in our Jayco trailer. Yours probably looks similar or perhaps is identical. First, determine if yours has a filter disc that pops off like mine did. If so, pop it off and look into the drain. If yours won't pop out, it's still likely to be removable. You'll need to determine how it can be removed on your own. After removal, there is probably a plastic X or crossbar inside the drain that helps to keep solid material from going any further into the drain. I've already cleaned mine, but yours will probably be clogged with hair and shampoo, soap, and cleanser residue. Reach down into the drain and pull all of that stuff out. Use long nose pliers or a similar tool and some paper towels if necessary. It's not pretty, so there you go. Replace the silver disc and you might be done. However, here's an extra step that you should do now while you are doing maintenance. Each RV is going to be slightly different, so you will need to figure this part out on your own. Determine how to access the area underneath the shower pan. Mine, fortunately, is reasonably accessible by opening the storage compartment door and removing an access panel. What you're going to look for is where the shower pan drain comes through the floor. Look for this plastic part or one that looks similar. It will be screwed into the shower drain pan or screwed into a section of drain pipe that is a few feet from the drain pan. This is a backflow and splash prevention tube. There is a thin, flexible piece of hose inside that device that expands and closes as water drains down from the shower. It can also become clogged. Unscrew it from the pipe, being careful not to exert too much force on the pipe. You don't want to flex the pipe and crack it or pull something apart that might be in an area of the RV that you can't access without a lot of trouble or maybe professional help. And if you do crack something, you have bigger problems than a clogged drain. Wrap a few paper towels or a bit of cloth on a stick, a rod, or a screwdriver and carefully push it into the inlet end of the pipe and out the other side to clean the sleeve that is inside the pipe. Carefully clean out the other end too. When you are finished, it should look like new again. Replace the pipe. Be careful not to cross-thread the pipe, over-tighten the nuts, or install the pipe upside down. Yes, there is a top and bottom side, and it's noted on the device. Once it's back together, check it for leaks. Run the shower on hot for about 5 minutes and on cold for about 5 minutes, and monitor the area underneath the shower pan and where those connections are made to make sure that there's no drips or water running down the pipe.